Hey everyone, welcome back to Lux Life. Today we're taking a look at something truly unbelievable, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. Bugatti, the brand known for creating hypercars like the Chiron and Bolide, has taken its legendary performance and turned it into an ultra-luxury motorhome. This masterpiece combines cutting-edge engineering, futuristic design, and five-star comfort, creating the most exclusive home on wheels ever imagined. Let's start with the exterior. The moment you see it, you know this isn't a regular RV. The Bugatti Motorhome carries that same bold DNA you see in its supercars. A massive matte black body with sleek golden accents that add a royal touch. At the front, Bugatti's iconic horseshoe grille dominates the face, surrounded by razor-sharp LED lights that look like they were lifted straight from a Quran. The panoramic windshield curves smoothly into the roof, giving the vehicle a sleek, futuristic feel, almost like a luxury spaceship. On the sides, unsculpted panels flow perfectly, featuring flush doors and glowing accent lines that illuminate at night. And those huge Bugatti-branded wheels? They don't just look good, they promise serious performance. Step inside and things get even more impressive. The cockpit is a work of art, with carbon fiber detailing, digital displays, and a steering wheel wrapped in fine leather. It feels sporty, high-tech, and perfectly Bugatti. But the real magic begins behind the cockpit. The living area looks like a private luxury suite on wheels, with soft, hand-stitched leather seats, ambient lighting that adjusts with your mood, and panoramic windows that flood the interior with natural light. The kitchen is fully equipped with high-end appliances, sleek cabinetry, and even smart systems that let you control everything with a touch or voice command. Right next to it, the dining area looks elegant enough for a five-star restaurant. At the rear, the bedroom is pure indulgence. A king-size bed, a massive entertainment setup, and climate control that adjusts automatically for the perfect atmosphere. The bathroom feels like a spa retreat, with rainfall showers, marble finishes, and luxurious fixtures that make every moment feel first class. Now let's talk performance, because after all, this is still a Bugatti. Under the body lies a hybrid W16 powertrain, adapted from Bugatti's hypercar lineup. It delivers incredible acceleration for a vehicle of this size, and with all-wheel drive, adaptive suspension, and carbon ceramic brakes, it handles the road like no other motorhome in the world. You're not just traveling in comfort, you're commanding a performance machine. Of course, all this exclusivity comes at a price. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome starts at around $4.2 million, placing it among the most expensive motorhomes ever built. But for that price, you're getting something no one else has. A true fusion of speed, power, and luxury living. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement of success, a symbol of innovation and design perfection that could only come from Bugatti. Thanks for watching Lux Life. If you love this look inside the Bugatti Motorhome, hit the like button, subscribe for more futuristic luxury vehicle videos, and tell us in the comments, would you take this $4 million palace on the open road? Until next time, stay inspired, stay luxurious.